Today we're talking about a global issue nobody questions. Why are millions of people still obsessed with passing tough exams and getting traditional jobs when there are countless online opportunities right in front of us? Let me explain it through my own experience. Back in school, I realized the traditional job route just wasn't for me. I didn't have a fancy degree or some big career plan. I just jumped into the online world, learned digital marketing, and slowly built my income. Now I make over $1,000 a month using nothing but skills and consistency. But here's the shocking part. Every single year, millions of talented people waste years preparing for competitive exams, university entrance tests, government job exams, professional certifications, where the selection rate is often below 10%. You spend thousands on coaching, books, and fees, study day and night, and still have almost no guarantee of getting selected. And if you don't make it, the backup is usually expensive private education. Engineering, business, medicine. These degrees can cost tens of thousands of dollars worldwide. Families take loans, students drown in debt, and after all that, over half of graduates globally remain unemployed or end up stuck in jobs totally unrelated to their degree. You spend years and money and then spend another decade trying to recover from it. Meanwhile, society keeps pushing you. Parents say you need a stable job, relatives expect you to follow the traditional path, and everyone insists it's the safe choice. But is it really safe when millions compete for a few seats or a few job openings? That isn't security, that's risk disguised as tradition. And if you're not passionate about what you're doing, you eventually procrastinate, lose motivation, skip classes, and waste the most valuable currency of your youth, time. The early years of your life, where you learn the fastest and build skills the quickest, shouldn't be spent chasing something that doesn't excite you. And at the same time, a massive wave is heading our way: artificial intelligence. The world will change more in the next 10 years than it did in the previous 100. Jobs that exist right now will disappear. Companies are already replacing entire teams with AI tools, and one skilled worker using AI can now do the work of 10 people. That means fewer job openings, more competition, and a market that changes faster than ever. If you stay average or slow to adapt, you'll fall behind, but if you learn AI tools, build digital skills, and stay flexible, you'll thrive. The people who mix human creativity with AI efficiency will lead every industry. Let me give you an example that anyone can start right now. Everyone wants to grow on YouTube, but creating videos used to take days. Researching, writing scripts, recording, editing. Now, with AI, you can do it in minutes. You can ask tools like ChatGPT to explain a topic, whether it's mutual funds, cloud computing, or anything else, and instantly get high-quality content. After checking for plagiarism, you can use tools like Pictory to turn that script into a full video with visuals, and add AI-generated voiceovers trained on your own voice. In less than an hour, you have a complete video ready to upload. Do this consistently and you can run multiple channels, post daily, and produce hundreds or even thousands of videos a year with just 1 to 2 hours of effort per day. But here's the real secret: consistency beats talent. Treat online work the same way you treat your degree. Commit for years, not days. Build multiple streams of income so if one platform changes its rules, you're still secure. And always stay grounded, because online success can disappear as fast as it arrives. Also, be careful. The online world is full of scams, and most get-rich-quick courses are fake. Always do your research before paying anyone. So what should you actually do? You don't need to choose between studies and online earning. Do both. Get your basic education for safety, but also develop digital and entrepreneurial skills that let you survive anywhere in the world. Become someone who can connect ideas, solve problems, and create value. Once you learn how to turn creativity into income, you become unstoppable. If this message made sense to you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.